Drive over the whole goddamn median.
Sure, I guess.
Oh, okay.
That's funny.
Okay, go the other way, dude. Come on. Alright.
Dude, oh my god, do something.
Oh my god. Hey, you looking at all, man? Jesus.
Nope.
Glad I'm paying attention. Fuck. Okay, whatever. Okay, you're just gonna back out of the fucking street? It's a street, dude. What are you doing?
Robert Half, they know talent. Visit roberthalf.com today.
Dave and Chuck the Freak on Boston's Rock 92.9, driven by Town Fair Tire.
Hey.
Dave and Chuck the Freak.
Oh. Okay. I have made a mistake. Oh, where the fuck? What? What? Yeah, know what you want.
Okay. Have you used my double?
What the fuck is this?
Do something. You do something.
What is
either
this?
this way or that way.
Hi, can I get a number 5 meal, medium with sweet and sour? Sorry? What the fuck are you doing, man? Excuse me. Bro. Dude, don't fucking stop. What the hell are you doing? Jeez, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? Dude, just fucking stop in the middle of the road and text, you idiot. Fucking crazy red-haired drummer. That guy.
Oh my god.
Try again, buddy.
Shit.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, thank you. What are you guys doing? Jesus, guys. Fucking figure it out. Stop fighting, children.
There shouldn't be any compromise. Don't go back to that one doctor that uses your appointment to catch up on all those advice. They're crossword puzzles just because they're available right now, or take your slightly sketchy insurance. Instead, check out ZocDoc, the place where you can find and book doctors.
Okay. Right in the intersection, fucking go forward. Ooh. Jesus. Okay, we have a fucking green light. That's cute. Jesus. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ, dude. What was that stupid move? It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Yes, thank you. Look at this thing. Jesus Prius, hi. Why? What are you doing? Bro. I know that he pulled over, but like, I'm driving at your face. Buddy. What are you doing?
To hashtag freeze the boobas. So I think they're making a declarative statement that they want it before the moves. Oh, free? I thought it was free, like stop. No, free. All right, maybe not this one. Maybe not this one. Let's see. Hold on. Holding. Hold on. Awning. I swear I've done this before. I did it with you for... Aha! Share this.
Like, Amnesia: The Dark Descent was a great example of that. Going through that game in the beginning, I hadn't really played a lot of horror games, and just going through the first few levels had this sense of, I don't know what to expect. All I know is that people play this game and run and scream because it's so scary. So every moment of darkness was horrifying to me because I didn't want to...
What the fuck are you doing? Jesus! Whoa! Jesus, dude. Okay, well, we'll just sit here. What the fuck was that? Hi! Jesus, fuck! Jesus. Yep. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Jesus, dude! Fuck's sake!
Oh,
Have fun with that.
Take an inch. That's about 1/2 ounces, right? You lift up the tail and take about an inch on each side. Use your index finger.
Nope. Oh my god. Jesus, dude.
Yo, fuck, God.
Christ.
You may have to repeat this.
Reservation, I called way early. I was like, I want to make a reservation with you guys for New Year's Eve. Right? We want to have dinner and drinks and do New Year's at your bar. And they were like, cool. New Year's Eve for dinner. Cool. And we put it down, and I was like, yes. I can't believe you had tables available. And they're like, yep, thanks, bye.
What the hell, man? Yeah, hold your coffee up. Yep. Hi. Fucking horn didn't work. It's a two-way street, my guy. But it starts right there, so I understand why you got confused.
Oh.
Fuck! Jesus Christ! Whoa! Jesus! Oh shit! You all good? You all set?
I'm good, man. I'm alright.
What the fuck? Bad Uber driver? I do really like the color though.
Yeah, you don't want to change.
I don't want to change it. Jesus, dude, what the fuck? Fuck's sake. He was texting. The fuck?
No, so what he's saying.
I was waiting for a dead interaction.
I know. I thought this would be like a fun.
Dude, fuck's sake. Sorry. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Jesus! Wow! Huh? He came this way!
Oh.
He came from down that way and fucking cut this guy off.